Dear students, welcome back. In the previous class, we completed first two topics, which are introduction to exponents and base and numbers with negative powers. Let's continue this class with the third topic, that is laws of exponents. The first law of exponent is a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. See, here bases are same, then we can add the powers. Next, second one is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. Next, third one is a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals to a to the power of c. Multiply the both powers m into n. Next, fourth one is a to the power of 0. Here, when the power is 0 with any base, its answer is always 1. Next, fifth one is a to the power of minus m equals to 1 by a to the power of m. Sixth one is a to the power of m equals to 1 by a to the power of minus m. Next, seventh one is a into b whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Eighth one is a by b whole to the power of m equals to apply the power for numerator and for denominator. Next, ninth one is if a to the power of m equals to a to the power of n, then m equals to n. See, here bases are same, then we can equate the powers. Next, 10th one is a to the power of m equals to b to the power of m. So then a equals to b. See, our powers are same, then we can equate the bases. So these are the 10 important laws of exponents. So let's go to exercise 1. See, here is the exercise 4.1. First bit is simplify and give reasons. First question is 4 to the power of minus 3. See, here 4 to the power of minus 3, a power is negative, so then we can make it as a positive by using this formula, a to the power of minus m equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So now 1 by 4 cube equals to 1 by 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. So 1 by 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So 4 to the power of minus 3 is 1 by 64. Second question is minus 2 whole to the power of 7. See, minus 2 whole to the power of 7, nothing but here minus 2 into 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 minus 2. So minus 2 will repeat 7 times in the product, because this 7 not only for 2, for minus also. Now it is equals to, see here, when the power is negative, odd number, then definitely you will get the negative answer. When the power is even number, then you will get positive answer. Anyhow, let's see here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. So minus 2 whole power 7, answer is minus 128. Next, 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. See here, 3 by 4 whole power minus 3 equals to, see, it is a negative power, but we can make it as a positive power by using the formula. So now it is equals to 4 by 3 whole power 3. Now apply the 3 for numerator and for denominator. So 4 cube answer is 64, because 4 into 4 into 4, 3 cube answer is 27. Next, minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4 equals to 1 by minus 3 whole to the power of 4. Because the formula is what? A to the power of minus m equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So now 1 by minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So it is equals to 1 by minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, because here 4 is an even number, so plus answer will come 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 1 by 81 is the answer. First bit completed. Next go to second bit. Simplify the following: 1 by 2 all to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 all to the power of 5 into 1 by 2 all to the power of 6. So once you observe the bases, all bases are same. So then we can use this formula: a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. Similarly, 1 by 2 all to the power of 4 plus 5 plus 6, it is equals to 1 by 2 all to the power of 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So 1 by 2 all to the power of 15. Next to minus 2 whole power 7 into minus 2 whole cube into minus 2 whole power 4. It is also same like a previous question. So here minus 2 whole power, add the power 7 plus 3 plus 4. So it is equals to minus 2 whole power 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. Next third one is 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 all to the power of 4. See, it is equals to 4 to the power of 4 into, here power 4 apply for numerator and for denominator, because we have a one formula: a by b all to the power of m equals to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Now what happened? 4 to the power of 4, here 4 to the power of 4 cancel, so it is equals to 5 to the power of 4. So 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 is a 25, 25 5 is a 125, 125 5 is a 625. Next 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. So it is equals to, here we can apply one formula: a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. So 5 to the power of minus 4, here minus of minus 6 into 5 cube, it is equals to 5 to the power of minus 4 minus of minus plus 6 into 5 cube. So 5 to the power of minus 4 plus 6 is 2 into 5 cube. Now a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So 5 to the power of 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 to the power of 5 is the answer. Next fifth question: minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 4. So here minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 4 equals to, see here powers are same, then we have one formula: a to the power of m into b to the power of m equals to a into b whole to the power of m. Similarly, minus 3 into 7 whole to the power of 4, it is equals to minus 3 into 7 is minus 21 whole to the power of 4. Next coming to third bit. The third bit is simplify. First question: 2 square into 3 square divided by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. First I am writing the two terms separately and 3 terms separately. So here a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n, and here a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so it is equals to 2 to the power of 2 minus of minus will become 2 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 2 plus of minus 1 is 3 power 1. So 2 to the power of 4 into 3, 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is a 48. Next second problem: 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. See, it is equals to, here negative powers. Negative powers we can convert into positive powers very easily. Okay, divided by 1 by 6 to the power of 1. The formula is a to the power of minus m equals to 1 by a to the power of m. Now 1 by 4 power 1 means 4, 3 power 1 means 3, divided by 1 by 6 power 1 means 6. So it is equals to, here multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators divided by 1 by 6. 1 into 1, 1, 4 3 are 12 divided by 1 by 6. So it is a division of two fractions. We can convert into a multiplication of the two fractions. So this fraction will become reverse. Now 6 ones are 6 twos are. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next, fourth bit, simplify and give reasons. So first question, 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. See, it is equals to 4 power 0 answer 1, 5 power minus 1 means 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. So here take the LCM, 5 is LCM, so 5 plus 1 into 5 square by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5 into 5 square by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. So it is equals to 2 into 5 square means 5 into 5 by 5 into 1. So 5 twos are 10. Next, second question, 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. See, observe the question carefully. Here powers are same. Okay. So then we have one formula, a to the power of m into b to the power of m equals to a into b whole power m. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. So what we have to do here, multiply the numerators because it is a total multiplication. Multiply the denominators, whole power minus 3. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, whole power minus 3. So now we can convert into a positive power. So then 40 cube is the answer. Next, third question, 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by 4. See, it is equals to here negative powers. So first you convert into positive power. So converted into positive powers. Next multiply with 3 by 4. So the LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4. See here, first and last coming in 2 table. So 3 is not coming in 2 table now. So then write as it is. Next 2 table 1 3 1. Next 3 table 1 1 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. 12 in 2 table 6 are 6 into numerator. 12 in 3 table 4s are 4 into numerator 4. 12 in 4 table 3s are 3 into numerator 3. So into 3 by 4. So now it is equals to 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. So here 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So 13, 4 fours are 16. So 13 by 16 is our. Next, fourth question, 3 to the power of minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. So it is equals to here 3 power minus 2 by 3. So 3 power minus 2 by 3 can write as a 3 power 1 into 3 power 0 answer 1 and 3 power minus 1 answer is 1 by 3. Now a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to 3 to the power of minus 2 minus 1 into the LCM of 1 comma 3 is 3, 3 minus 1. So 3 to the power of minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So now it is negative power, so convert into positive power into 2 by 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 3 cube into 3. So it is equals to 2 by 3 to the power of 4. So 2 by 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 answer how much? 81. So 2 by 81. Next, fifth question, 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. So it is equals to 1 plus 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2, 3 power minus 1 also 1 by 3 and 4 power 0 answer is 1. Here we can add these two numbers, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Here 2 can write as a 2 by 1. The LCM of 1, 2, 3 is 6. 6 in 1 table 6 are 6 into numerator plus 6 in 2 table 3 are 3 into numerator, and 6 in 3 table 2 are 2 into numerator. So it is equals to 6 2s are 12 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 6. So 12 plus 3 how much? 15. 15 plus 2 17. So 17 by 6 is the answer. Next, sixth problem, 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 equals whole power 2. So he gave two powers. So here we can apply one formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals to a to the power of m into n. So using this formula, so 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 2, so it is equals to, so 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Now it is a negative power, so then its answer is 2 by 3 whole power 4. 2 by 3 whole power 4 means 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. So it is equals to 2 to the power of 4, answer 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So the 16 by 81 is the answer. So children, that's it for today. So in the next class I will explain the remaining bits. Thank you.